No green thumb needed to have gorgeous hanging flowers like this. Nope, not at all, because these are fake. Let me tell you something, especially during the winter months when things are kind of gloomy, it looks nice to have some bright burst of color. I live in Texas and it gets cold, but we don't ever get any snow. So it kind of, one day is summer, the next day is not. So I like these to kind of fill in the gaps during the seasons. And also, if you're not a really good gardener, that's okay, because you can put these in your yard, in your potted plants. You can put these in your raised garden beds even, and as you see in the hanging potted plants. When you do get them, you're going to want to fluff them up a little bit. Then you just stick them into your styrofoam or your soil, so that they don't go anywhere. And you can see they just look gorgeous. They look like real plants. And from a distance, nobody's going to know. And I promise I won't tell your secret. Shh.